In Old Greenwich, Connecticut, proximity to the water is finite. Welcome to 30 Meadowbank Road, a ground-up new construction residence rising in one of Old Greenwich's most tightly held coastal pockets. Scheduled for completion in late summer 2026. Set on a private cul-de-sac within a waterfront association just moments from Todd's Point, Old Greenwich Village, and Metro North to New York City. The location alone carries long-term weight. This home offers approximately 4,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, designed with architectural discipline and modern coastal restraint. Signature European windows and full-height sliders create seamless indoor-outdoor living across all levels. A custom white oak kitchen anchors expansive open-plan space built for both daily life and structured entertaining. Upstairs, ensuite bedrooms provide privacy and scale, while the third-floor retreat with full bath captures elevated views towards Long Island Sound. An elevator shaft is already in place, and select finishes remain customizable. New construction opportunities in Old Greenwich this close to the Sound are limited and increasingly difficult to replicate. For buyers evaluating long-term coastal ownership in Connecticut, this is a rare entry point in a proven micro-market. 30 Meadowbank Road, offered at 6250.